Hi guys, today we're going to compose and decompose numbers to 120. Let's review our vocabulary. We have our ones, tens, and hundreds. And here is a standard form, which is a number shown using digits. We have expanded form, which is our numbers shown based on the value of each digit. Okay, so let's look. 118 stands for 100, 110, and 8 ones. So if you look here, how many hundreds do we have? We have 100, 110, and how many ones do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And we have 8 ones. Okay. Let's look at this one. We have the number 120. We have 100, 2 tens, and 0 ones. So let's write that in the chart. How many hundreds do we have? We have 100. How many tens do we have? We have 2 tens. And how many ones do we have? We have 0 ones. So let's count down here. How many hundreds do we have? We only have 1. How many tens do we have? We have 2 tens. That's 1 10, 2 10. How many ones do we have? We have 0 ones. So here is our number 120. So this here represents 100, 110, 120. Now let's look at this number 112. How many hundreds do we have? We have 100, 110, and 2 ones. So here we have 100, 110, and 2 ones. Let's represent that using our base 10 blocks. How many hundreds do I need to get? I need to get 100. How many tens do I need? I need 110. How many ones do I need? I need 2 ones. 1, 2. So our number is 112. Here we have 100, counting on 110, 111, 112.